In front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this phone. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select advanced settings, and here just click on developer options. And now go a bit lower where you will notice demo mode. Click to open, and now you can smoothly turn demo mode on by using this switcher, and then you can also make it visible by tapping on this one. And as you can see, it has been already applied, it has been already changed, and you can smoothly use your phone in demo mode. And whenever you would like to switch it off, just unmark both switchers. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.